You can make your own marshmallow snowman stirs with just a few supplies from your local grocery store. These are sure to be a great addition to your favorite cup of cocoa. You need large marshmallows, wooden skewer sticks, brown and orange candy melts, and a small plastic syringe to make your own. Skewer 3 marshmallows on a stick. I used a toothpick to add the eyes, mouth, and arms to the first and second marshmallows. Melt the orange candy just as you did the brown and pipe on the carrot noses. Allow the marshmallows to sit. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.